Hi everyone, Phil from Seahorse Kontiki's here. Today we're going to look at how you can test your battery. So we'll pop inside and start there. See you soon. So your Kontiki's a couple years old and you're finding you're not getting out quite as far as you used to, and you suspect the problem is with your batteries. So we'll run through the different ways you can check your batteries to find out which ones are working and which ones aren't. So the first thing we need to do is to charge our batteries up on the charger. So fully charge them and then remove them from the charger and let them sit for 24 or even 48 hours. We can then use our Seahorse Kontiki to ensure that they are holding their charge. So after 24 hours we can come across to the Kontiki and we can plug our battery in. The single light on your timer is your battery status light, and that is telling us how well the batteries are charged. So when the light comes on in the OK area, it means that the battery is holding charge. If we plug in the battery and the light only comes up in the recharge area, then it means that the battery has dropped voltage and it is not holding its charge. So that is one sign to show that your battery is failing. Okay, the next thing we'll do is a run test. So this here is our test tank. So to test your batteries or to do a run test, you need either a tank of water, cattle trough, spa pool, or even a wheelie bin full of water. So we've got this Kontiki running, it's testing the battery, and this is the sort of water volume you should be getting from the motor. If it's running a lot slower than that, then again it's a sure sign your battery has failed. So your big batteries should run for about 14 minutes and your small batteries should run for about 8 minutes. If you're getting a lot less time than that, then again a sure sign that the battery has failed. So as you can see, after about 10 minutes running, the motor is running slower because the battery is discharging less current and less voltage, and it will slowly get slower until it finally stops. So this battery's been running about 14 minutes and has just stopped. So now you remove the batteries and you check to see if there's any hot spots. Okay, once your run has finished, feel around the battery and see if there's any hot spots. Your battery is made up of 6 cells, and if one of those cells has failed, then it will be hot and you'll have a hot spot either part way along the battery or in one of the corners. Again, a failed battery, it needs to be replaced.